What's up, guys? It's your girl Chen Chen official, and I am back with another video. Happy Sunday to you all. I hope you guys had a wonderful week, and I hope this week will bring forth joy, peace, happiness to each and every one of you guys. Your girl love you, and thanks for being here with me. And to all my new supporters, welcome to my channel. I'm happy to have you all, and I'm actually gonna do this song to encourage you all. Comment down below and tell us what you think about whatever song we sung. Alright? And here with me is my younger sister,
Daniela McKnight. Good morning, each and everybody.
Okay, nice. So we're going to go straight into the song. She's actually gonna start it. You guys will see what's up. Alright? Go ahead.
Like a ship sailing out on a trip so rough and long, so far from shore and so far from home. I set out in search of a reason to go on, and I found shelter in the eye of the storm.
No matter what storm cloud may rock the shape of mine, the light of my Savior will lead me safely through the night. And though my ship may be rocky and my sails may be torn, I shall rest in the eye of the storm. When the wind and water ranges and the billows begins to roar, the blessed rock of ages speak peace to my soul. He hold me in his arms, so safe and so warm, and I found shelter in the eye of the storm. No matter what storm clouds may rock the shape of mine, the light of my Savior will lead me safely through the night. And though my ship may be rocky and my sails may be torn, I shall rest in the eye of the storm. No matter what storm clouds may rock the shape of mine, the light of my Savior will lead me safely through the night. And though my ship may be rocky and my sins may be torn, I shall rest, you shall rest, we shall rest in the eye of the storm. Thanks for taking the time out to listen to us. I hope you guys remember to like this video,
Comment on this video,
subscribe to my channel, and tell your friends and family about about the Chen Chen official. Alright, let's rock together if you don't have me as yet. And your people may need on support. Love you guys and see you in my next video. Say bye.
Goodbye. Have a great day, you all.